In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Jira Error 410 step by step and explain why this error happens in the first place. If you've ever clicked a Jira issue, board, or calendar link and been hit with a 410 error, you're not alone. This is a very common Jira issue, especially in team environments where permissions and issues change frequently. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly identify the cause and get back to your work without wasting time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Jira and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do when fixing Jira Error 410 is to check that you're using the correct link. A 410 error usually means the resource you're trying to access no longer exists at that exact URL. This can happen if a board, sprint, calendar, or issue link was copied incorrectly or shared from an outdated location. Carefully look at the URL in your browser and make sure it matches the current project, board, or issue you're trying to access. If the link was sent to you by a teammate, ask them to resend it or navigate to the item directly from within Jira instead of using the saved link. Many times, simply opening the project and browsing to the board or issue manually will immediately resolve the problem. If the link is correct and you're still seeing Jira Error 410, the next step is to check your permissions. Jira is heavily permission-based, and if your access level changes, Jira may block you from viewing certain pages. Make sure you're logged into the correct Jira account and workspace. Then check whether you still have permission to view the project, board, or issue. If you recently changed teams, roles, or projects, your access may have been removed. In this case, reach out to your Jira administrator or project admin and ask them to confirm your permissions. Once your access is restored, refresh the page and see if the error is resolved. Now let's talk about the most common cause of Jira Error 410, which is that the issue was deleted. This happens more often than people realize. To check this, copy the issue key from the URL or error page, for example something like proj-123. Then go to the Jira search bar at the top of your screen, paste the issue key, and press enter. If Jira cannot find the issue, that usually means it was deleted or permanently removed from the system. In this case, the 410 error is expected behavior because the issue no longer exists. If you believe the issue was deleted by mistake, contact your Jira administrator to see if it can be restored from backups or audit logs. Once you've checked the link, confirmed your permissions, and verified whether the issue still exists, you should have a clear answer as to why Jira Error 410 is appearing. In most cases, one of these three steps will fix the issue immediately. As a best practice, always avoid bookmarking individual issue links if your projects change frequently, and instead navigate through Jira's project and board menus. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix Jira Error 410 quickly and effectively. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.